guys, Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Beautiful Nightmare by Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial or else I'll accidentally spill some hot coffee on you. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of this video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright you guys, there's 3 different parts to this song. They're all very simple, they're all using the same chords. As always, I will have the tab for all of this in the description below, so if you need the guitar tab once you get done with the video, jump into the video description, the tab will be there for you. You're going to start off, it's mainly going to be power chords. You're going to start off with a C sharp minor power chord here. It's just 4, 6, 6, A4, D6, G6. And then you're going to go to an A major power chord, which is just going to be 5, 7, 7 on E, E for 5, A for 7, D for 7. Then an E major power chord. What I do here is it's 0, 2, 2, and I just use my index finger to hold down both 2 on A and D, but if you want to, you can use 2 fingers if you want, but I'm just using 1 finger to hold down both of those. And then a G sharp minor power chord, which is going to be 4, 6, 6, 4 on low E, 6 on A, 6 on D. Now the intro riff to this song also doubles as the chorus. You're going to start on that C sharp minor power chord and you're going to down strum twice. And then you're going to go 6 on your D string, hammer on to 7, and then pull back off to 6. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Then go to your A major power chord, do the same thing, 2 down strums. And then you're doing 4 on D, hammer on to 6 on D, pull off to 4 on D. So 1, 2. Then go to that E major power chord, same thing, down strum twice. And then you're doing the same hammer on and pull off as the first chord, 6 on D, 7 on D, 6 on D. So then go to that G sharp power chord, 2 down strums, and you're going 2 on D, 4 on D, 6 on D, all hammer-ons. I'm using my index, my ring, and then my pinky. You can slide it if that's easier, or slide to 4 and then hammer on to 6. However is easier for you. I have a wide hand so I can. But if that's too hard, you can slide it up or slide up and hammer on. So all together slowly, the beginning riff looks like this. After that, your verses are using those same chords, they're just palm muting all the way through them. It's just down strums, and palm muting, you're going to take the fleshy part of your hand, set it on the bridge of your guitar, like right on the strings right there, so that it gives it this punchy sound, but it's not fully ringing out, but you should also still be able to make out the notes of the chord. So it should sound like this punchy, not fully ringing out, but not totally muted, just this very punchy sound. And all they're doing through the verses is just palm muting with down strums. It looks like this. Now what I'm doing there is just for each chord you're getting 8 down palm mutes, And on 1, 4, and 7, if you want to just do the palm mutes, if that's easier, that's fine. But if you want to do, there's a couple where they do take their hand off and play them open. It's on the 1, the 4, and the 7 of the 8. So if you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a very slowed down version of just all down palm mutes. So if you add the 1, the 4, and the 7, where you take your hand off and strum it, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That might take a little practice, but like I said, slow it way down and just do 8 counts, and on the 1, the 4, and the 7, take your hand off, strum it, and then palm mute the rest of them. So up to speed, that looks like. Once you get those parts down, all you need is the bridge of the song, which also acts as the outro. It's just a little picking pattern. It's not too hard. I will have the tab for that again as well in the video description if you need it. And it's the same chords, you're just going to be picking through them a little differently. So instead of doing the power chord, you're going to do the full bar chord for your C sharp minor. It's going to be 0, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. And for this, you're just picking A, D, B, G, just 1, 2, 3, 4. A, D, B, G. Then you're going to take your index finger off of your A and pluck it open. And you're going to bar the G and the B string with your index finger and keep your ring finger on the 6th fret on the D string. And you're going to pick the same strings, A, D, B, G. So A, D, B, G, A, D, B, G. Then you're going to go back to the same C sharp formation, keep everything the same except you're going to pluck the open E and then D, B, G. So it's the same as your first chord, you're just plucking the open E instead of A and then doing the same thing, D, B, G. Then you're going to go to a full G sharp minor chord, which is just 4, 6, 6, 4, 4, 4. And you're going to pick those same exact strings, E, D, B, G. So all together slowly, this is what this picking part is going to look like. I'll do that one more time. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.